Kanji number 25. 25 kanji. So here is meaning tree or wood. Similar things, tree or wood. So a stroke of that kanji, this is very easy. So vertical. So horizontal one first, second vertical one, and a later left inclined and right portion. So again horizontal one first, later vertical one, and inclined left portion, inclined right portion. So here ichi, so stroke ni, sun, yun. So here like that tree. So this is tree. So sound two types here, ki or moku. Ki or moku, this is the sound. And word and meaning. So here, so first one, ki nobori. Ki, so here's ki nobori. So this is first, this is second, third, this is fourth, the later this is. So ki nobori again. Ki nobori, tree climbing. Ki nobori, tree climbing. Masu no ki, pine tree. Masu, so kore, first, second, third. Masu, masu, so here. Masu no ki. Masu no ki, so pine tree. Masu no ki, pine tree. And here moku yobi, so again, so moku yo, so here is yo. Mokuyo, and this is B. Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi, Thursday. Mokuyobi. So here is three words: ki nobori, masu no ki, ki nobori, masu no ki, mokuyobi.